Hi guys, we have here the Wahl Magic Clip. As you can see, the new packaging on this Wahl. Wahl kind of repackaging a lot of their clippers, so these are the boxes that will be shipping out. If you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. This is the cordless Magic Clip, one of my favorite clippers, until they just released the Wahl Senior cordless, so that's kind of tops it now, but nonetheless still a great quality clipper at a great price point as well. Wahl did a great job on this. So let's go ahead and open this up, give you guys a quick unboxing and a sound bite of my favorite clipper, the Wahl Senior cordless. Decent battery life. So the box comes off like that. That's what it looks like on the back here. Shows what you receive in the packaging. Not bad. Let's go ahead and open this up for you guys here. You can see, Wahl Magic Clip comes in like that, all nicely neat and packed. Got the cover on the blade as well. You can see, so let's go ahead and open that up. So first and foremost, we have the Magic Clip. That's where you plug in the charger. That's always comes with a blade protector. As you can see here. Okay, let's put that aside. Also comes with comb guides. You have the brush and the oil, brush cleaner and oil. Always important to oil your machine. You got the cord charger. You have a comb for clipper comb. Pull that out. You got some more on the bottom here. You have the instruction book, warranty information. Always important to keep that. And you have some more additional comb guides of different lengths as well. So that's pretty much it that you're receiving here. Let's just give you guys another close-up of the Wahl Magic Clip. Let's take this off. Give you guys a quick sound bite. That's what the blade looks like. Flip that over. Amazing quality. So go ahead and turn this on. Change the length level on the lever. So yeah, it does come right out the box charged, but you obviously want to charge it before, Wahl does always have the charge, but these very good quality, very highly recommended. 5 out of 5 stars for the Wahl Magic Clip. Price points, the flexibility and being able to kind of work with this. Barbers come all the time, discussing the Wahl Magic Clip as a top preferred clipper, no doubt. The Wahl Senior cordless does takes it a bit better, obviously with the battery, the battery length. That's especially if you're in a barber shop. I mean, if you're at home, I guess battery length not the biggest issue, but if you're a barber shop professional hairdresser, definitely would prefer, the Wahl Senior cordless. Definitely cuts a bit better, but nonetheless still a great quality clipper. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. Please share. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.